Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first vlog for the year, or second. I think it's my second vlog for the year. So I'm a little bit excited. So these are videos of me on probably 2 or 3 Sundays that I placed together to show you what I do on a Sunday. Okay, so I'm basically in my kitchen cleaning up, washing some dishes, getting ready to start cooking. I'm also trying to try out my new ring light. It's the one that I got before the one I'm using right now. It was smaller and it kept turning off and on, so I had to return that one. I had to get rid of that one. And I'm so happy that I got the new one that I have now. It works perfectly. It's the UB size 16. So if you're looking for a ring light, do check out the reviews on the UB size 16. So I guess, I'm reading about the ring light right here. So you're seeing me read right here. So my dishes are all cleaned, and I'm basically putting back the vegetables and what's not in the refrigerator. I'm going to get my meats ready. It looks like normally I do salmon on Sundays or every single day. I also make chicken for my daughter. So maybe I was making some chicken for her there. I'm not too sure. But I do see like some vegetables on my right hand side. That looks like okra, some onions there. I'm gonna chef it up. So basically this is what the meal looked like when it was completed. It was salmon that I was cooking. It looks really good and it was delicious, guys. It was delicious. Here you can see me cleaning up the kitchen and packing back things into the refrigerator. My next clip is another different Sunday, and I will be cleaning the refrigerator. So let me know below, when do you clean your refrigerator? So this is what's in my refrigerator right now. I need to go shopping. I'm gonna go shopping tomorrow. And then I'm going to unpack everything. Okay guys, so let me know, when do you clean your refrigerator? For me, if I'm cooking on a Sunday, I'll clean up the kitchen. I'll, do like a thorough cleaning. Or sometimes it's a Saturday. Today is a Sunday. I really want to do everything really quickly. It's actually late. It's about 3 something. I stayed up late till like 3 o'clock last night, so I got up later than normal. Usually by 12 o'clock I'm finished cooking, but it's a little bit hectic right now. It's a little bit late right now, so I meant to say. It's a little bit late. Oh, okay, guys, as I finish up, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and comment down below.